Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the basic Java interview questions for freshers. So let's start. The first question is, what is Java? Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems, now owned by Oracle. It is designed to be platform independent, meaning code written in Java can run on any device or operating system that has a Java virtual machine or JVM. Java follows the principle of write once and run anywhere, and it is widely used for building cross-platform applications, web services, mobile apps, and enterprise-level systems. It is known for its simplicity, reliability, and security features. The next question is, what is JVM or what is Java Virtual Machine? Now, Java Virtual Machine is an engine that runs Java applications by converting bytecode into machine-specific instructions. It provides platform independence, automatic memory management or garbage collection, and runtime optimizations like just-in-time or JIT compilation. JVM is a key part of the Java Runtime Environment or JRE, and it ensures that Java programs run consistently across different operating systems. The next question is, what are the features of Java? You can answer this as, the key features of Java are, one is platform independent, which means it runs on any OS using JVM. It follows the concept of write once and run anywhere. Second point would be object oriented. It follows OOP principle, that's object oriented programming principles like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Third would be simple and secure. It is easy to learn with a built-in security feature. Then comes robust, strong memory management and exception handling. Fifth point would be multi-threading. It supports concurrent execution for better performance. Then comes high performance. It uses the just-in-time or JIT compilation for faster execution. Then comes automatic memory management or garbage collector, which means it handles the memory cleanup. The last point would be rich API and large community. It provides extensive libraries and frameworks. These features of Java make it a widely used language for web apps, mobile apps, and enterprise applications. The next question is, what is the difference between JDK and JRE? The difference is in a tabular format and it's on the screen. You can take a screenshot of it. In a nutshell, JDK is equal to JRE plus development tools, but JRE is equal to JVM plus libraries for running the Java apps. JDK is required for coding, while JRE is enough for running the Java programs. Other differences are mentioned on the table. The next question is, what is the difference between a class and an object? Again, the difference between the class and the object are on a tabular format. So class is like a blueprint or a template for creating the objects, whereas an object is an instance of a class. In terms of memory location, for a class, no memory is allocated until an object is created. In terms of object, memory is allocated when an object is instantiated. In terms of usage, for a class, it defines the properties, that are the variables, and behaviors, that are the methods. But in case of objects, it holds the real data or performs the actions. The next question is, what are the primitive data types in Java? The primitive data types in Java are, there are 8 primitive data types categorized as, first is integer types, then we have floating point types, and then we have character and boolean. So first let's discuss the integer types. There is byte, which means 1 byte is in the range from -128 to 127. Then comes short, which is 2 bytes. The range is -32,768 to 32,767. Then comes int, which is 4 bytes, default for integers. The range is -2b to +2b. Then long, which is 8 bytes, used for large numbers. Now coming to the floating point types, we have float, that is 4 bytes, stores the decimal with less precision. Then we have double, which is 8 bytes, default for decimal values but with a higher precision. Then comes character and boolean. Character is 2 bytes, it stores a single character like A, B or C, like that. And then we have boolean, which is 1 bit, it stores true or false, only 2 values. The next question is, what is the difference between equal to and equals function in Java? Now the difference is again in a tabular format. You can take a screenshot of this. In terms of comparison type, it compare the equal to the, that is a reference comparison, and equals to the function is a content comparison. So the reference comparison, in terms of comparison types, it does the comparison between the memory addresses, and the content comparison does the comparison between the actual values of the objects. Now in terms of uses, the reference comparison is used for primitive data types and object references, and the content comparison is used for object content like string or integer. For default behavior, reference comparison, it works for both primitives and objects, but content comparison must be overridden in custom classes for meaningful comparisons. Here is an example which illustrates the difference. You can check this. The next question is, what is inheritance in Java? You can answer this question as, inheritance is an object-oriented programming concept where a child class, that is a subclass, acquires the properties and behaviors from a parent class, that is a superclass. So parent class is a super one and the child is a subclass. It promotes code reusability and establishes a hierarchical relationship between the classes. Types of inheritance are single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. So single inheritance means that one class inherits from the another and from another class. Then multi-level inheritance is like one class inherits from another inherited class, like the super class is also the inherited class. Then comes the hierarchical inheritance, in which multiple classes inherit from a single parent, like there will be one super class and multiple subclasses. The next question is, what is JRE or Java Runtime Environment? So JRE is a part of Java that provides everything needed to run Java applications. It includes JVM, libraries and classes, and runtime environment. So JVM executes a Java bytecode, libraries and classes are the pre-built code for Java programs, and runtime environment it supports the execution of Java applications. So JRE is a package of JVM plus libraries plus runtime support. JRE is needed to run Java programs, while JDK is needed to develop them. The next question is, what is JDK or Java Development Kit? So JDK is a software development kit which is used to develop Java applications. It includes the JRE, compilers and debugging tools needed to write, compile and run Java programs. The JDK is essential for Java developers, while the JRE is used for running the Java applications. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful, and if you need these questions in a written format, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try to share them with you. Thank you for watching my video again, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.